iko na usalama ya kutosha.
Nyakora magajuange mano mabende krodhi kelo radhi bedo thoro mar wach era many piny odhiambo makawuono johala ma uso lewni ma oserwaki kata mitumba koro jiwo piny owacho mondo mi kik med keto chike mamedo osuru ne mwandugo kaka yo mar kelo yot ne oganda e nyiewo lewni. Jakom mar riwruogno mar jous mitumba Terezia Wairimu koro wacho ni medo badhe e ohala mar mitumba mayo piny owacho mawuok e Afrika ma ugwe chiegni dola milion 420 kendo thoth oganda ma yuto gi ni piny yudo pek mar nyiewo lewni. Wairimu noloso bang' yango report e wi ohand mitumba e pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe. Report no wacho ni uso mitumba ondiko jotije ma kwan gi romo milion 3 e pinje mag Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania kod Rwanda. Pinje go duto nitiere kod chenro mag dongo kembe maloso lewni kaka yo maduoko piny nyiepo mag lewni ma oserwaki e pinje ma oko kata mitumba.
East African Community States generates an impressive 7.58 jobs, providing a significant source of income for millions of individuals involved in second-hand clothing distribution chains across East Africa. If we further support the growth of this sector, we are empowering our people and fostering economic development. Secondly, the second-hand clothing market makes substantial contributions to GDP growth and government revenues. In 2021 alone, the industry delivered government revenues estimated at 419 million across East Africa. These revenues are without a doubt used to fuel public sector's development, improve infrastructure, and provide essential services to our citizens.
East African country member states should work together, they should cooperate to further deliver the benefits that this sector is providing. These countries can work through infrastructure, through sorting centres to deliver even more benefits and employment opportunities for the people who live in these countries. There is no robust evidence that banning second-hand clothing would revive the domestic textile sector. That is a clear finding from our report. And if we impose restrictions on second-hand clothing in the future, this will put potentially millions of jobs in the East African community